said, you said,
Alright, what's up guys? You're watching another video. Guess what we're about to do right now? I think I'm addicted, guys. I don't know what's wrong with me. At midnight, bro. I was about to go to sleep. The homie Joey, my tattoo artist, hit me up again and he was like, yo, tomorrow's free again. You want to come? And I was like, damn, bro. I didn't think it was going to be that soon, but I can't say no though, guys. I don't know what to do. I want more tattoos. And I literally was talking about it yesterday too. Like, oh, I can't wait to fill up this arm. Well, I got what I wished for, guys. We're about to go get more tattoos today. Finish off this whole little half sleeve. So about another maybe 7 hours of tattooing. I am crazy, I know. It was crazy too, because like this morning I was like trying to count up like the hours and the money of like how much money all these tattoos can be and how much time it is too. I think it's like 7 hours, 7 hours. Everything was like 7 hours. We always get like 7 hours on the dot for some reason, but 7 hours, 14, 21, 28. I'm not good at math. And then another 7 hours, another 7 hours. So you guys did the math, I can't do the math. Pretty sure we got like 40 hours almost on us, especially with my hands and everything. And money included, we were counting it up earlier. Like we're pretty close to like $10,000 with the tattoos, which is actually insane, bro. So when you see people like fully tatted, it's definitely not cheap, guys. They spend a lot of money. Even like my tattoo artist, he said he has like, my tattoo artist said he has like 300 hours on his body or something like that. Some crazy number. And like over $100,000 worth of tattoos. It's just insane, guys. So he said he tries to show off his whole body all the time. Like when he goes to like pool parties, he takes off his shirt just to like flex all that money, you know what I mean? People flexing jewelry, he's flexing like $100,000 worth of tattoos. I'll show you guys when we get there what we have planned. But get ready, guys. Another 7 hours of tattoos. If you guys didn't watch the last video, we got a new steering wheel. This shit is fire, guys. It feels so good driving with it. I feel like steering wheels are like the best mod you could do because it's like something that you hold every single day. Like a lip's cool, it looks cool and all, but like the steering wheel is like changes the whole driving experience, bro. I love it. It feels good. Well, while I was doing that, I broke the battery terminal bolt because I was trying to disconnect the battery. I think I tightened it too tight, so I had to get a new bolt. I had to put that on still. Right now we're driving around with just a vice grip on the battery terminal. Hopefully it doesn't come loose and the battery turns off. What would happen if the battery unplugged right now while I'm driving? Comment down below. I don't really know what happens. Like would the engine stop running too? Or would the engine keep going? I don't know how it works, bro. Alright, back in the bathroom. Just like the last video. I haven't showed you guys, but we're already about an hour in maybe. This is what we're working with, guys. I don't know if you guys are able to see, but like I said in the last video, I want to get a lion. So at first I wanted like a realistic lion, but the homie Joey came up with a really dope idea to do like a statue of a lion. Kind of fits the theme of all the statues that I have already. So honestly, I think it's gonna look badass. I cannot wait. It's super, super painful on the wrist, guys. Like extremely painful. Guys, I'm super excited. We pretty much got almost 2 full sleeves now after today. We even have this too. I don't know if you guys remember, but I put an angel in here. We have a lot of tattoos, bro. I don't really show them much, but yeah, I have a lot of tattoos. But again, huge shout out to the homie Joey. He is putting in work. I cannot wait to see how this comes out. He's done all my tattoos. So again, guys, if you guys need a tattoo or need a good tattoo artist, hit up the homie Joey. I'll leave his Instagram right here. I'll show you guys little updates here and there. Again, it's hard to film in tattoo shops because they always play loud music, and there's also a lot of people in there. And I'm still embarrassed to vlog in front of people. Even though I've been vlogging for a few years, I'm still embarrassed, guys. About to finally touch the lion's face. For some reason, the back part, look at all the peeling, by the way. This is what happens like 2 or 3 days after your tattoo. It starts to peel like that. Look at how nasty it looks. Anyways, we are about 4 hours in. It is taking a little bit of time because there's a lot of detail in this lion, but here, now you guys can see. Look at how sick. You guys would not believe what just happened. We just got home from finishing my tattoo. I am in so much pain for one. Toward the end of the tattoo, guys, I wanted to just tap out. I've never wanted to tap out in my life in a tattoo up until today. The pain was literally an 11 out of 10, bro. So freaking bad. I could have cried. It's so bad right now. Look, there's so much blood. Oh my God, dude. Look at that. It's disgusting. Anyway, the tattoo is done. I'm sorry I didn't film much, guys. I'm just super exhausted. And then literally, as I was finishing up the tattoo, we had about like maybe 5 more minutes left. Open up my phone to go on Instagram, and you guys probably already seen already, my Instagram is disabled, guys. I don't know what the heck just happened tonight. I don't know what's wrong with my luck. I'm telling you guys, I really feel like someone is wishing bad on me. I need to cleanse, bro. I need to go to church. I need to do something because this is getting out of control, bro. Like, losing my Instagram is like my biggest fear, and I've always had a fear of that. As you guys know, Fresh Kicks, he got his Instagram deleted and never got it back. If you guys know, us influencers and YouTubers, you want to call it, we use these platforms for business. You guys see me promoting the merch, my YouTube videos, everything through Instagram. Instagram is literally my business and where I make money. So without Instagram, you're literally losing business and losing money at the end of the day. So I am so freaking stressed right now. I am exhausted though because of the tattoo. And this couldn't have made my night worse, bro. I don't understand how this happened. I'm gonna have to deal with it tomorrow morning. Also, look what time it is. It is 1 in the morning, about to be 1 in the morning. And we're finally getting home from the tattoo. Shout out to my homie Joey though. He literally killed it on this tattoo. Like always, on all my tattoos, he's done a killer job, bro. But I didn't even check it out, honestly. Like I said, he needed maybe like 5 to 10 more minutes, but that's when I realized my Instagram was gone. So I didn't even realize everything else he was doing. And even when I finished it and he was taking photos of it, I didn't even like look at the tattoo. He just wrapped it up and I was like, bro, I'm out. Like I was in such a bad mood getting my Instagram deleted. So hopefully I get my Instagram back, and also hopefully this pain goes away because I am in so much pain and it is so swollen. Like you literally can't even see my bones, guys. I'm excited though. It's a lion statue if you guys can't tell already. I'll show you guys once it heals and everything like that. But yeah, that's my night. That's how I'm ending it. I'll pick up the camera tomorrow because I definitely did not film enough for a full vlog. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, guys, it is now the next day. We are here at 412, as you guys see. Look at this thing that they got. What the? Joseph's trying to get in the Halloween spirit. Oh my God, that thing needs a wash. This thing too. I'm trying to get it washed right now. Hopefully my boy has time, but this shit hella dirty. Look at the wheels. Anyways, we made it here to 412. They got this big, scary thing out. This low-key thing, this thing is low-key huge, bro. Anyways, we got the F80 out here looking dirty, but it's still clean at the same time. Damn, it's really dirty actually. Yeah, guys, yesterday where the vlog left off, I just got my tattoo finished, and then that's when my Instagram got deleted, guys. Yesterday was like the worst night ever. Hold on, the lens is dirty. So yeah, the Instagram got deleted last night out of nowhere. I got an email from Facebook, an email from Instagram. They both said your Instagram is deactivated and it's not coming back. They said it's permanently deleted. Somehow, some way, I emailed them all back, Instagram, Facebook. I was trying everything I could last night up till like 3 in the morning. I emailed them saying like, oh, I think you guys made a mistake. There's no way I crossed community guidelines, all this stuff like that. The only thing I could think of is I put a story of my tattoo artist tattooing my wrist, and you can maybe see a little bit of blood and a needle going in my skin. Maybe Instagram's getting sensitive to that kind of stuff. Sure enough, I woke up, my Instagram's back. I don't know how, thank God, bro. But yeah, that freaking scared me. I went to sleep so sad last night. I was stressed, I was in pain because of my tattoo. I'll show you guys the tattoo once it heals up and stuff like that. But shout out to the homie Joey. I didn't get to even show him on the vlog yesterday because I was so stressed at the end. Literally the coolest and best tattoo artist you'll ever meet. He even has a GTR and an F80. We have the same garage setup, bro, which is crazy. Hopefully when I get my GTR back, we're gonna plan like a little cruise with his GTR and my GTR, and you guys will get to see Joey like outside of just tattooing, like his car stuff and stuff like that. He has a badass GTR on TE37s too. Now we here at phone 2. My boy Bees doesn't want to wash my car. Bruh. I'm just kidding. We're washing this Ferrari. We might wash mine after. But my F80 is dirty. I didn't think it was that dirty. I think low-key worse.
Believe it or not, this truck, this Ferrari takes like just as much water as the trucks.
Wow, that's crazy. It's just so nice though. You guys remember we drove this Ferrari in a vlog? It's literally like, this car made me fall in love with Ferraris. Like now I'm a Ferrari fan. I was never really into Ferraris like that. Like I always would have said Lambo over Ferrari, but this shit is sick. It sounds sick, it's freaking fast, and it looks mean. Now I see why.
Ferrari question mark?
Maybe, huh? Now I see why people like them. Also, another update, guys. Kind of sad, but kind of good for him. Marlon sold his G80. You guys know I made a vlog about this. I don't know if one of you guys bought the car or is going to buy the car tomorrow, I think, or somebody from his Instagram. I don't know. But if one of you guys that watch my videos actually bought this car, that is crazy. But he told me that somebody's picking up this car tomorrow, cashing him out for it. It's kind of sad to see it go. It's a very clean G80, satin gray or frozen gray paint, red interior, bucket seats, big screen because it's 2023, full bolt-ons, tuned. This thing made what, 750 I think on the dyno. This thing is beautiful. HRE wheels, I think those wheels cost like $12,000 alone. It has that upgraded bumper and all that good stuff. This is like the perfect G80 buy. It only has 5,000 miles too, but I think he sold it, guys. He's picking it up tomorrow. But don't worry, because Marlon has another BMW coming, and you guys are gonna get to see it on the vlog whenever it gets here. He says it's on a boat right now, on the way over here, and he'll have his new car soon. But yeah, it's kind of sad to see the G80 go. Hi. What are we doing today?
A lot. What's up, guys? How are you?
Hey,
Just announced?
412, it's Wednesday. Clear skies. Joseph's about to tell you what happened this week. Go ahead, buddy.
What happened?
The Supra's still here. The abandoned one. I wonder what they're gonna do with it, bro. That one's hard though. Look at this one. Sheesh. It's crazy what wheels and like a good paint job can do, huh? Like these stock wheels are so ugly, the original Supra ones. They're probably worth a lot of money, I'm sure, bro. Like they're original Supra wheels, but the TEs though, it's just fire.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.